Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Plainly Bitcoin. This is the channel for beginners. This is a channel about crypto. We talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon. We talk about crypto. We talk about the future. We talk about putting the power back in people's hands, yo. You know what I mean? And today I'm just going to do a brief video. It's going to be a video about Ethereum. You could look at Ethereum as like how we look at the internet, except it's decentralized. The internet is not decentralized. You could put websites on the internet, but that website or the company that put their website or company on the internet in the form of a website is centralized. If you put your website on Ethereum, it's decentralized. Meaning you could build a website on Ethereum and it's decentralized. You can't be the only one that owns it. It has to be owned by the people, whoever invests in your company. So if your company grows, then the people get a piece of that. That's what decentralization means. It means everybody gets a piece of the pie, not just one small group of people. So right now I'm going to give y'all the definition of Ethereum. And I'm going to break it down as best as I can. I'm new at this. This is not financial advice, y'all. This is not financial advice. This is straight entertainment purposes only. This is for education. Because we got to fight the good fight, y'all. So without further ado, let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized, open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. So let's click on this and see the definition of decentralized real quick. Decentralization is the process by which the activities of an organization, particularly those regarding planning and decision making, are distributed or delegated away from a central authoritative location or group and given to smaller fractions within it. So it's basically saying, like I told y'all earlier, it means everybody gets a piece of the pie when it's decentralized. But one big thing that comes with being decentralized is nodes. You have to have a lot of nodes. That's the way to check if a company is really decentralized. You go to their website and look at the nodes, or you just Google how many nodes does this one company have, and that's how you know if a company is really decentralized. If you go and ask Google how many nodes is in Ethereum. Ethereum has a lot of nodes. Bitcoin has a lot of nodes. Something like Solana does not have a lot of nodes. That means it's centralized. The more nodes it has, the more centralized it is. Anybody could run a node. Open source means that it's open for the public. It's open source. The code, the way Ethereum is built, is open for everybody to see. And a smart contract just means a contract, but it's smart. It's a digital contract. So Ethereum is a smart contract. Ethereum has smart contract functionality. Bitcoin really doesn't have smart contract functionality. That's why Ethereum was made. So you're able to build like contracts. So it's just like a contract. Like you do a contract with someone and you could put it on the blockchain. You could put it on Ethereum. but it also means in a smart contract also means you can make a website. It basically means you could build stuff. Smart contract functionality means you could build stuff on it. Okay, let's go on. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Among cryptocurrencies, ETH is second only to Bitcoin in market capitalization. So Bitcoin is the second most popular, and it's worth the most. That's market capitalization. It's worth the second most out of 14,000 cryptocurrencies. All right. Ethereum was conceived in 2013 by programmer Vitalik Buterin. Additional founders are Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony DeLauro, and Joseph Lubin. In 2014, development work began and was crowdfunded, and the network went live on July 30th, 2015. Ethereum allows anyone to deploy permanent and immutable decentralized applications onto it, with which users can interact, just like a website. Decentralized finance applications provide a broad array of financial services without the need for typical financial intermediaries like brokerages, exchanges, or banks, such as allowing cryptocurrency users to borrow against their holdings or lend them out for interest. So DeFi, decentralized finance, is one of the more popular things that people are building on Ethereum right now. So decentralized finance gives you the ability to lend your coins out or borrow against, but you don't need a third party to do that. It's only you and the technology, Ethereum. All right. Where was I at? Where am I at? Ethereum also allows users to create and exchange NFTs, which are unique tokens representing ownership of an associated asset or privilege as recognized by any number of institutions. So NFTs are unique tokens, and they represent ownership of anything. An NFT, a house could be made an NFT, and that represents that you own it. Anything pretty much could be an NFT. Going to a game, an NBA game, a music concert, that could be all put on the blockchain with a smart contract, and it'll be immutable. No one could change that. Additionally, many other cryptocurrencies utilize the ERC20 token standard on top of the Ethereum blockchain and have utilized the platform for initial coin offerings. So this is where I was really talking about with the website. So people could basically build other websites on top of Ethereum, and then people can invest in those and be the owners of those companies, be part owners, be owners of the companies. like people that use, whoever uses your platform is basically a part owner, because they have to have your coin to use it. And if they have your coin, they're invested. And if the price goes up, they win, you win. It's not like Facebook. If you use Facebook, they don't give you no Facebook coin. They don't give you anything for using it. That's changing. That's all changing. They're supposed to be giving you something to you, for you using their platform. They should be giving you something for you using it, but they don't, because they're centralized. On September 15th, Ethereum transitioned its consensus mechanism from proof of work to proof of stake in an upgrade process known as the merge. This has cut Ethereum's energy usage by 99%. So now Ethereum uses less energy. And now if you own Ethereum, you could be a part of helping make the Ethereum protocol more secure, and you'll get paid for it. Versus back in the day, it was proof of work, and proof of work was these people that had big computers, and they was validating transactions and making the network secure, and they was getting paid. But now that's changed. Now whoever owns the coin has an opportunity to get paid by staking the coin, and you'll get passive income for doing that. And at the same time, the energy usage is a lot lower. Proof of work takes a lot of energy. Bitcoin is proof of work, and it takes a lot of energy. But the reason why Bitcoin hasn't changed from proof of work to proof of stake is because Bitcoin serves a different purpose. It's worth the energy being used for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is really only made for transactions, even though people are trying to make Bitcoin for other stuff. But Bitcoin is mainly just used for payment transactions. So it really doesn't need to be robust and fast and all that. We just need security and transactions to go through at a cheaper rate than the banks are charging us. And we need to be able to do transactions whenever we want, not when the banks allows us to. So that's pretty much Ethereum in a nutshell. None of this is financial advice, you guys. Okay? None of this is financial advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes. The markets are pretty much down today. Alright. This is Plainly Bitcoin. Thank you for listening. This is a channel for beginners. I've been in crypto for 5 years learning. I'm still kind of new. I'm still learning. Bitcoin and Ethereum and cryptocurrency is so complex. But we're going to get through this together. Alright, y'all. So on that note, I'm out. See you on the next one.